Let's get this show on the road with a cracking first offer. It's a short haul. It comes from the guys and girls at Holiday, the 4- and 5-star holiday experts. And this is a cheeky little break going overseas at an amazing price. This is going to Gdansk in Poland. It's a place that I've never actually been. I've actually booked somebody this week who's going to Warsaw, and it's got great architecture, lots of history, obviously due to the World War II. It has a long market there, lots of shops, restaurants. If you want a cheap, quick break, this could be the place for you. It has a unique feel that sets it apart from other cities because it's got a lot of maritime history. So you can go around this Baltic port. The streets are distinctively un-Polish, with all the architecture influenced by the multicultural wealthy of merchants who have shaped the history of the town. As I say, lots of elegant buildings. There's an old town. It has cheap beer. It has Polish food, and you've got a lot of history there as well. So many museums to do with the World War. So this is going to be a 5-star stay, and let me just double check. It is on a B&B basis. You'll be staying at the 5-star Gdansk boutique. It's regarded as one of the best hotels in Tricity and is uniquely located near the picturesque yacht marina in the heart of the city. It's a combination of 70th century flirts renovated with particular attention to detail with its elegance and history. It also has its yachting theme as well, so to give it its feel. It's literally only 3 minutes away from the main heart of the city, so it's a great place to go on there. It's got plenty of bars and restaurants. You've got the first floor restaurant is in the very heart of the city, wide selection of Polish and regional dishes. You've got a cafe there as well. Traditional breakfast, which is includes local products containing bread, salads, fresh vegetables, fruits, organic cheeses, etc., etc. The facilities, it has the finest spa in Gdansk with 7 salons, a sauna centre with sauna, Turkish sauna, and a saline iodine cave. That sounds a little bit different, and free Wi-Fi in the whole hot complex as well. It's based on a standard room with internet, so what you'd expect from a 5-star accommodation. Price includes return flights from London, including hand baggage. Regionals are available at the supplement. Standard room, including breakfast, as I say, and extra nights just from £34 per person per night. So this is based on two nights, 2 people sharing. You can go in October, November, and December from only £129 a person. January, February, March from £139 per person, and April for £159. So you fancy a little bit of this, give the number a dial on the screen, hit the inquire now button, that will go through to Hology. Like it, share it, Facebook, give me some Instagram love, subscribe to the YouTube channel, or if you don't fancy this but fancy something a little bit different, go to the website www.tvtravel.shop, where we've got about 200 offers on there at this precise moment.